Today's unboxing is the KLIM laptop cooling fans. KLIM Technologies is now one of the top brands for laptop cooling in Europe. They came from nothing, belong to no large corporations, have no outside investor. Their success only depends on your satisfaction. This is why they offer quality durable products. Their goal is that you can get your product with this peace of mind. They believe that they should put their money where our mouth is. If you enjoy the product, they win. If they fail to deliver, they lose. This model embeds 4 fans that can reach up to 1200 revolutions per minute each. When putting your laptop on top of it, you're sure to cool it down in less than a minute. Dropping back to reasonable temperatures optimize to lengthen the lifespan of your laptop and avoid any slowness. This laptop cooler is an investment. No component overheating, maximize the life expectancy of your laptops and boost its performance. For bonus, receive a free copy of the ebook, 7 Tips to Keep Your Computer Alive and Maximize Its Performance by email after you purchase. This laptop cooler covers the following sizes, and it is 11 to 16 inches, compatible with the following sizes 17, 18 and 19 inches. With these sizes, the laptop will extend over the edge of the cooler pad but will remain perfectly stable. The KLIM Wind features 2 rear legs for an excellent inclination and frontal pegs to keep it in place. Both the laptop tray and the computer will stay completely still. This is the most powerful on the market with 4 quad fans spinning up to 1200 rotations per minute. It's a high capacity laptop stand with the ability to cool your PC to reasonable temperatures in under a minute. These 4 fans allow for cooling of all the areas of your laptop. The thought-out design plus built to last, KLIM Wind is a level above any other laptop cooling stand in terms of design and the quality of materials used. It is a durable yet light pad that will fit any situation and makes it a great accessory for your laptop. They offer a 5-year warranty, proving their confidence in their product. It's a no-risk purchase. The KLIM Wind has 2 USB ports in order to leave you with 1 free port. It will cool your PC regardless of its age or of the intensity of its use. Their clients have had excellent results for gaming, photo plus video editing and old laptops. If your laptop is overheating and its performance is dropping, the KLIM Wind's cooling action will certainly enhance its performance. It can also be used with PS5 or Xbox One. Alright guys, that is all for today. See you next time with another good deal gadgets. For more details, check out the link in the description. Like, share and comment us below. And never miss any updates by hitting the subscribe button and stay connected with Cyrus Syndicate UK.